Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you check the email history for one specific contact in your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check email history for just one contact in your Attio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Attio as your CRM, rather than searching through all your emails, you can check the emails and correspondence for just one contact. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio CRM, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to check the email history for just one contact, here on the left side, you're going to click on People. Okay, so after you click on People, you're going to see all of your contacts. So just scroll through until you see the person that you would like to see the email history for. So for example, this person right here, and just click on their name. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu along the top, and you want to click on Emails. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the email history that you have with that one contact inside of your Attio CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the email history for one contact in your Attio, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.